Animals develop special features that protect them from heat, rain, cold, and other animals. These features also help them look for food. Land animals have strong legs. Aerial animals, like birds, have feathers to keep their body warm, wings to fly, and a beak to eat. Some birds have sharp claws to hunt. Arboreal animals have strong arms and legs that allow them to climb trees easily and have a long coiled tail to help them balance on branches. Some animals have special features that help them to survive in extreme conditions. Long and narrow legs help a camel walk long distances on loose sand. Padded feet support body weight on sand. A camel's hump stores fat that helps it live without food and water for many days. Fur helps a bear blend with its surroundings and keeps its body warm in extreme cold weather. Aquatic animals have special features that help them survive in water. Fins and tail help them to swim. Gills help them breathe. Scales protect the fish from injuries. Webbed feet help animals like ducks and penguins to swim when they search for food in water. Flippers and tail help the dolphin to swim. A streamlined body helps in easy movement. Animals have different special features to protect themselves. A deer runs very fast to protect itself from predators. Animals blend with their surroundings to hide from other animals. Some animals move in groups to stay safe from predators. Some animals have features like pointed spines or horns for protection.